So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-download ng Roblox sa ating mobile device. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, para makapag-download tayo ng Roblox app sa ating mobile phone or Android phone, ang unang-una lang is pumunta tayo sa Google Play Store. So i-open lang natin yung ating Google Play Store. Then dito sa Google Play Store guys, pumunta lang tayo sa search bar. Then isi-search natin dito is Roblox. So search lang natin, then i-open natin yung applications. So ito yung Roblox guys. So para ma-install or ma-download, itap lang natin yung install. And wait natin guys hanggang matapos ma-install sa ating mobile phone. So ayan guys, after ma-install sa ating mobile device, so ganito na yung lalabas. So tap natin yung play guys para ma-open natin yung pinakang application. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nag-o-open na tayo and nakapag-download na tayo ng application ng Roblox. So para naman makapag-sign up guys, maglalagay ako ng tutorial na nakalink sa description box. So doon ko naman ilalagay yung tutorial kung paano nga ba mag-sign up dito sa Roblox app. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-download ng Roblox. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.